Recent survey indicates 77% of Canadians would rather stay in their home than sell and downsize. Hi, it's Ian Thompson, Nanaimo's downsizing specialist at Remax of Nanaimo. And even though I talk about downsizing, it do obviously meet a fair number of people who say that's great, but I want to stay. However, there are modifications that you're going to need to do to be able to stay in your house. Now, that could be maybe a lift in your house or some grab bars in the bathroom, perhaps, and other things you can do to make the home safe. The real challenge is who's going to actually do that work. I have a list of preferred suppliers who will A, show up, B, do the job on time, on budget, and those things are so important. So reach out to me at 250-616-3641. You said, hey Ian, great, I don't want to downsize yet, but I do want to stay. I just need to know what to do and who can do that work for me. If you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, or you can hit the button below, make an appointment with me, and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.